Good morning, it's Douglas from RAIZOR bringing you the latest AI news for today, Friday, February 28th, 2025. First up, here's an overview of today's highlighted topic on our blog. AI to predict the next pandemic? Quite possibly. New research suggests AI is making strides in predicting future pandemics, though success depends heavily on data transparency and reduced training costs. The technology leverages techniques like Bayesian data augmentation and graph neural networks, GNN, to improve disease modeling accuracy and scalability. These AI models have shown promise in predicting COVID-19 and influenza cases, while also analyzing genomic data to understand virus transmission patterns and lineages. While AI offers powerful capabilities for processing large datasets and providing quick insights for public health decisions, it still faces significant limitations. Current models struggle with detailed transmission analysis and predictions beyond known scenarios. The technology is also hindered by challenges around data accessibility, high training costs, and ethical concerns regarding data sharing. Despite these obstacles, researchers suggest future developments could integrate single-task models into more comprehensive systems. The article outlines several potential business applications, including platforms for standardizing infectious disease data, AI-driven genomic analysis tools, and decision support systems for policymakers. These opportunities could help improve outbreak predictions and public health responses, though success will require carefully balancing technological capabilities with ethical considerations and data accessibility challenges. You can read the full blog post at razor.co/blog. Now let's get into today's news. Amazon has completely rebuilt Alexa with advanced artificial intelligence capabilities to deliver more natural and personalized conversations. The new system combines multiple language models, including Amazon's own Nova and Anthropic's Claude, to handle complex tasks like grocery ordering, invitation sending, and restaurant reservations. The enhanced version includes creative features like AI art generation and song creation through Suno, plus visual recognition capabilities. Business application. Customer service teams can leverage similar conversational AI technology to provide more natural and efficient support interactions while handling multiple tasks simultaneously. Microsoft has unveiled new artificial intelligence models capable of processing speech, vision, and text simultaneously. The new technology is compact enough to operate on high-end local computers, eliminating the need for cloud processing. The system has achieved top rankings in speech recognition performance on the Hugging Face platform. Business application. Marketing departments can use this technology for quick, on-device content creation and analysis without relying on cloud services or internet connectivity. IBM has launched a new family of artificial intelligence models designed specifically for enterprise use. The system offers capabilities in summarization, problem-solving, and code generation, with the ability to switch between different thinking modes. As an open-source solution, organizations can customize and adapt the technology to their specific needs. Business application. Software development teams can utilize this technology to accelerate coding processes while maintaining flexibility in problem-solving approaches. OpenAI has released their largest artificial intelligence model to date, focusing on enhanced natural conversation and improved understanding of user intent. The new system demonstrates significantly reduced errors and increased accuracy in responses. The technology is being rolled out in phases, starting with professional users and developers. Business application, research and analysis teams can leverage this more accurate system for improved market research, competitive analysis, and trend forecasting with greater confidence in the results. Those are the most important AI news articles for today. Want the links from these podcasts as well as all the latest tools and various new jobs in the AI sector? Join the newsletter at razor.co and get in touch to learn how to cut costs, boost revenue, and accelerate your business growth with AI-powered automations.